I have just bought a microcar. We're currently in the Netherlands, and in the Netherlands they have these beautiful cars. They're called a Canter LX. Even though it has an engine, it's kind of classed like a mobility scooter. You can even drive in cycle lanes and on pavements. So we're going to be driving this 2 hours to Amsterdam. We're going to be taking it inside of stores and a bunch of other places. So let's get in some cycle lanes and drive this bad boy. The first thing we had to try and do was drive an hour and a half in the microcar back to the hotel. And just to get there, we had to cross rivers and multiple other obstacles.
'Cause you had a bad day, you take everyone down, you sing a sad song just to turn it around. You said you don't know, you tell me don't lie, you weren't gonna smile and you go for a ride. You had a bad
So we've only been driving for about 30 minutes, and now we've got to get on a boat. So Eric, film us getting on.
You had a bad day, you had a bad day.
Okay, we almost flipped it then, that was pretty dodgy. But now we have to fuel up. Where's even the fuel cap on this thing? Oh, it's probably this. Yeah, it's probably this thing. No, it's overflowing. No! We fueled up, now let's keep on going. We've got probably about another hour or so, but the game's the game. Let's go! After another 40 minutes of driving the microcar, we finally arrived at the hotel, and then it was time to head to Amsterdam. Unfortunately, it's going to take a few hours because we can only use cycle lanes. So we're going to try and get to Amsterdam now. I think it's going to be pretty difficult, but let's go. This is how you put it into gear. And now we're in first gear, let's go! Let's go! And now it was time for the 2-hour journey.
But I would walk 500 miles and I would walk 500 more to be the man who walked 1,000 miles to fall down at your door. When I'm walking, yes I know I'm gonna be the man who's working hard for you.
So after hours of driving, we finally got the Canter to Amsterdam. We got a bunch of things we're gonna try, such as taking this inside of shops, maybe inside of a coffee shop, and maybe later tonight, the red light district in the red car. So let's cross this bridge. Okay, so the first challenge is to drive inside of this sweet shop, and hopefully they don't get annoyed at me. Excuse me, is it okay to drive this in here? Can I drive this in?
Sorry.
No. Do you know any way you can drive these inside? Or not? No. Okay, it doesn't matter. Thank you. Right, maybe next time. I think we should try a different shop. Can we drive in the shop for a second? Yeah, just into the shop there. No.
Oh, sorry.
Do you know anywhere they might let us or not?
I would say probably, yeah, probably like McDonald's.
Right, we're gonna just try and go in this McDonald's. No.
What's happened?
They said no. I think we need to find like a family-owned store or something. Let's just keep driving. The fact we're driving an actual car here, that's pretty crazy. Oh yes, there's a store here. Can I come in here? Yeah, here. No. No, okay. It doesn't matter. Come here, man. They're just all like freaking out.
Are
Like,
they?
you should have seen their face. Hopefully
Really?
they got them here. Yeah, they like look really scared. Like I was gonna like do something bad. I'm gonna try and go into a shop, but we can't just drive in because we might get done for like something serious. You can see this part's kind of indoors, so we're gonna drive through and see if we get told off here.
Hello? You need to leave from there.
No, but you're allowed to drive this.
You cannot drive here. Look, it's closed.
It's classed as a bicycle. This is.
But also bicycles are not allowed.
Are they not?
You're gonna get a fine. You can only leave from here. Yes, do what you want, but I'm saying it for you. You're gonna get a fine.
Okay. So one of my challenges is to get some food. You can see there's a hot dog stand there. Hello, do you speak English?
Yes.
So can I order a hot dog from here? Like a drive-through? Could I have 2 hot dogs, please?
2 hot dogs, 9 euros, please.
We got the hot dogs, man. We got the hot dogs. Guys, we got the hot dogs. So now we're going to enjoy these and then we'll get on to the next challenge.
Oh, the police, man.
Really? Oh yeah.
Yeah, the police. Hello.
Hello, do you speak English? We're filming a video.
Ah, 4?
We bought a Canter and we're going to take it to the UK.
But when you want to drive on a pedestrian, you need a license plate on it.
Do
There's
you?
no license plate on it.
How do you get? I literally bought it today from a garage. When we bought it, it just didn't come with one. I didn't even know you needed it. I thought it was classed as like a bicycle. So how do you get a
Bicycle
license?
doesn't have an engine.
The plate from the insurance.
You get it from the insurance.
Yeah.
Is there anywhere open now I can get?
No.
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 Okay, so we were just with the police for about half an hour. They were really nice people. And pretty much what they said is it's supposed to have a VIN number and we're supposed to have a license plate with insurance. But obviously we have no license plate or anything. So we spoke to the people we bought it from. They're going to get an invoice, but we can't get insurance. So they drove off and they told us to leave it here, but they were kind of like smirking and smiling. So we're just going to drive it back to the hotel and hopefully we don't get stopped by other police. We got to actually escape Amsterdam.
If we get stopped by any other police, they may not be as nice and they might seize a microcar. On the way back, we spotted an opportunity that we couldn't miss.
We found this amazing track on the way here, and it's obviously for dirt bikes, but we're going to take this beautiful canter on it. Let's see how this canter can handle a track like this. Let's see if we can get up this. Let's go, let's go!
Now there's a good chance we could destroy this microcar in this video, but if we do, I'm going to order a bunch of parts online, and I'm going to make sure to use Cooper when ordering the parts. Cooper is a free web browser extension that allows you to save money when checking out online by scanning through the entire internet, finding the best discount codes.
So I just did my lap off the beautiful canter, and that was so much fun, and now it's Eric's turn.
Not only can you save tons of money when checking out online, like I did throughout this entire road trip, but it also has a rewards program, which you can exchange for gift cards. So if you're always purchasing stuff online, there's no reason not to test it out, because it can save you a lot of money.
How was that, man?
That was very good, man. I hit my head, but it's okay.
I think that passed the track test.
So a huge shout out to Cooper for sponsoring this video, and make sure you check them out in the description.
Now it's time for the big canter hill climb test. You can see we're underneath some big motorway bridge or something, and we're going to try and drive the canter up this steep hill and see if it can make it. No! Now let's do a sharp turn and go the other way. No, no! I wasn't able to get that high up, so now Eric's going to have a go.
Yeah.
No way, he's made it! That's funny as f, man.
Let's go. Let's
did it.
go, man.
Now you got to drive down full speed.
Yeah, you want to do that?
I'll drive it down though in case it flips. Gonna try and go down now. I got no seatbelts, but we'll see. Oh my god. Oh my god! No! It's too fast. Oh yes. This car's a beast. Okay, so next day, and later on today, I've got to try and take this back to Manchester. But for now, we got a few more challenges. The first one being to go inside of IKEA. If we can't get inside of IKEA, we're gonna at least try and go inside of an elevator with this.
The plan was to find a big lift in IKEA that the microcar could fit inside of. We'd then use the lift to go inside of the shop, quickly drive round before making an escape. Well, let's just say it didn't go to plan.
Come on, come on.
That's good, that's good. Alright, let's go, man.
We're inside of the lift. This is
Man, look at the camera. They must be fucking watching us, man.
Oh my god, we're going up. This is like the first person to drive a car in the lift. Right. Eric.
Once you reverse it.
We officially made it inside of a shop with a microcar. Probably the main goal of this video.
Okay, we successfully drove a canter inside of a shop. You can see we're inside of IKEA. Okay, we're gonna go for a little drive. I'll go down there and then we'll probably go this way.
But just as we thought we got away with it, Eric was filming some clips of me when an angry security guard started shouting at him. So he ran back to the microcar where we tried to make an escape.
Yes, we did it. Right, let's go, let's go. Right, what's happened? There's some guy following. Oh, he's running after us.
Is he?
Yeah, he's running after us.
Just go and
Wait, he's got
He's
like...
trying to cut off. He's trying to cut off.
Really?
So like, oh shit.
Film. Look, he's... Why is he like so angry?
Yeah, man.
He can't even catch up with this. What a loser.
What is he?
I don't know, but he's trying to catch up.
Shit, man.
Why is he so angry?
Where is he?
He's trying to get down the other way.
Is he?
What a loser. Why is he so angry?
Where is he, man?
I don't know, he's probably here somewhere. Let's just fucking go. Yes, we made an escape! Guys, we got out of here. Some stupid loser was following us and like running after us. I hope we got some of that on camera. It's like so funny. Why was he running after us? He's such a loser.
Yeah, man. when I was down there recording, he was like saying like, brother.
Really?
After escaping the IKEA, me and Eric snuck onto a golf course with the microcar.
Ah!
Holy
I don't think anyone's noticed us yet, apart from that old guy.
Look at those guys, they're just staring at us.
No, I think we just get out of it. We're trying to make an escape for it now. Right, let's go full speed. Come on, let's go. Scam, they've been scammed. They looked annoyed as well. Just
No.
Right. So the people that own this place came out. Come on, go. if we stop and try to explain ourselves, they're either going to be nice or they're going to be dickheads and call the police. So it's better to just not take the risk. Actually, maybe we go to this car park and try and get on 2 wheels. We're going to try not to flip this because I don't want to destroy it even more. But I'm going to try and get on 2 wheels like you see them do in Dubai. So obviously I'm a trained professional. I've got my stunt license. So don't try this at home, but hopefully we can get this bad boy on 2 wheels. Oh my God. That was so bad. I almost went over. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Did it look funny though?
Yeah, I did.
I'm not sure if I should try that again. I should.
Why not?
Because I don't want it to flip.
We'll just fix it.
Okay, right. We're going to try that again. Oh my God. Oh my God. Leave it at that. I don't think we do any more because I'm going to end up flipping this beautiful counter, and it's a very rare vehicle if we can somehow bring this into the UK. Guys, I don't think I even have to say anything. Look what is in front of us. Eric, pan the camera and show this beautiful place. I think you guys know where this is going. I think it's time to see if you can treat these as a BMX. Oh my God! Oh my God, this is so much fun.
That looks so goofy, man.
Oh my God. Oh my God, man. Oh my God. Honestly, that was so much fun that Eric needs to have a go now.
I'm gonna put it in reverse.
Okay. Oh shit! Oh my God! The fucking accelerator pedal got stuck. Guys, that's so much fun. I'm surprised the counter's still working. Should we go on one of the other ramps?
Yeah, let's go on the other ones.
Right, let's go, let's go. Come on. Oh my God. I'm gonna go full speed now.
Okay.
Oh my God. No, my car's falling apart, man.
Huh?
The car's falling apart. We need to stop this. Right, guys, I think if we do any more, this car's not gonna run, and it costs like £2,000. We're going to try and bring this to the UK. Hopefully we can get a trailer, put this on, and get back to the UK today. This isn't looking good. That's the canter, and that's the trailer. I don't know if that's gonna fit. I'm gonna try and drive it up now, but I really don't think it's gonna fit. I'm gonna try and get this in. This isn't sturdy at all. All right, f it. Come on, come on. No way, this isn't gonna work at all. I have to take it to the UK today.
The UK?
Yeah.
With this combination?
This is the only trailer I could find in time. This has gone horribly wrong.
Unfortunately, as hard as I tried, I couldn't get the car into the trailer, and I had to leave the next morning and go all the way back to England. I'll see you guys in the next video where I'll be racing Eric across the island with no speed limits. See you then.
Cause you had a bad day, you take it one down, you sing a sad song.